Hi there, it's Mrs. Darling, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Word Art program to create your Chinese New Year zodiac sign. You have a piece of paper on your table that has all the animals in the Chinese New Year zodiac, along with the birth years and personality traits of each animal. Find the animal that correlates with the year that you were born, and for instance, I was born in 1970, so I'm a dog. And then to the right of that, there's personality traits for a dog. You're going to use those words. So if you go to wordart.com and go to log in, you're going to sign in with Google, find your name, and you're going to click on create. First thing you should do is give it a name. I'm just going to call it Zodiac. And then you're going to put your name and your animal. And then you're going to follow with all the words that are the descriptive words for the personality traits of the animal of your sign. So since I'm a dog, I'm going to type in loyal, honest, amiable, kind, cautious, and prudent. Okay, I have all my words. Then I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to find dog, select that one, and then always go up to visualize to see it. Okay, now I have my dog. I can change the font by looking through and scrolling. And maybe I'll choose this one. And again, you have to go to visualize. And you can change the layout or the direction of the text here. And maybe I'll do this one. And again, visualize. I don't really like that. I liked it better before, so I'm going to just use this back arrow. Or maybe it was this one. And visualize. Okay, I'm happy with that. And the style is the colors, the palette. I actually like the way this looks, but if you wanted to change it, you could to different colors, but I'm going to keep it. I like it. So once I'm all finished, I am going to save, and then I'm going to print. And you just go to more, print. Make sure you have the Stafford Color Library. And you can try both ways. I know this isn't going to fit. It doesn't fit on the, oh, see, it cuts off. So you might want to try both directions, landscape or portrait, and see what looks best for your shape animal. Once I'm done, I can hit print and pick it up. And you're finished. Now, if you want to make a Valentine for your mom, you can do the same thing using other shapes, such as go to, maybe you want to put a heart. And if you have time, you can do a Valentine. If you are looking for other animals, scroll through here and you can find a cow instead of an ox right here. There's a rabbit. There's not a dragon. There's not a snake, but you can find a horse, monkey, rooster, pig, and a dog. So scroll through the animals and you'll find the animal that you need. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.